Hello students, welcome to today's computer class. Today we will continue learning more about working inside worksheet. Students, what did we learn in our last video session? Yes, we learned about how to moving data within a worksheet, how to hiding data and how to displaying hiding data. In this video, we will learn about how to insert cells, row and columns and how to clearing and deleting cells, row and column in worksheet. After you have entered data on your worksheet, you may want to insert blank cells between occupied cells to make room for new data or to include more white space in the data area. You can insert individual blank cells, range of blank cells or entire blank rows or columns anywhere on the worksheet. When you insert cells, Microsoft Excel shifts the other cells in your worksheet to make room for the inserted cells and adjusts references to the shifted cells to reflect their new locations. Now let's see how to insert blank cells on a worksheet. Step 1. Select the cell or the range of cells where you want to insert the new blank cells. Select the same number of cells as you want to insert. For example, to insert 5 blank cells, you need to select 5 cells. Step 2. On the Home tab, in the Cell Groups, click the arrow next to Insert and then click Insert Cells. Step 3. In the Insert dialog box, click the direction in which you want to shift the surrounding cells. Step 4. Click OK. You can see that 5 new blank cells inserted in our worksheet. Now let's see how to insert rows on a worksheet. Step 1. Do one of the following. To insert a single row, select the row or a cell in the row above which you want to insert the new row. For example, to insert a new row above row 5, click a cell in row 5. To insert multiple rows, select the rows above which you want to insert rows. Select the same number of rows as you want to insert. For example, to insert 3 new rows, you need to select 3 rows. To insert non-adjacent rows, hold down Ctrl key while you select non-adjacent rows. Step 2. On the Home tab in the Cell group, click the arrow next to the Insert option and then click Insert Cell Rows. Let us see how to insert columns on a worksheet. Step 1. Do one of the following. To insert a single column, select the column or a cell in the column immediately to the right of where you want to insert the new column. For example, to insert a new column to the left of column B, click a cell in column B. To insert multiple columns, select the columns immediately to the right of where you want to insert columns. select the same number of columns as you want to insert. For example, to insert 3 new columns, you need to select 3 columns. To insert non-adjacent columns, hold down Ctrl key while you select non-adjacent columns. Step 2. On the Home tab in the cell group, click the arrow next to Insert and then click Insert Sheet Columns. Now let's see how to clearing and deleting cells, rows and columns. Clearing and deleting are two ways to remove data from a Microsoft Excel document. Clearing a cell clears the contents, formats or notes or all three from the cell but leaves the cleared cell in the worksheet. Deleting a cell completely removes the cell and its notes from the worksheet and moves adjacent cells to close up the space that was occupied by the deleted cell. Let us see how to clear cell contents, formats and notes. Step 1. Select the cell or cells you want to clear. Step 2. From the editing group on the Home tab or the right click menu, choose Clear. Step 3. To clear formats, formulas or notes, select the appropriate option. To clear all these from the selected cells, select the Clear All option button. Let's see how to delete cells, rows or columns. Step 1. Select the cells, rows or columns that you want to delete. Step 2. On the Home tab in the cell group, do one of the following. To delete selected cells, click the arrow next to the delete and then click Delete Cells. To delete selected rows, click the arrow next to delete and then click Delete Sheet Rows. To delete selected columns, click the row next to delete and then click Delete Sheet Columns. Step 3. If you are deleting a cell or a range of cells, in the Delete dialog box, click Shift Cells Left, Shift Cells Up, Entire Row or Entire Column. If you are deleting rows or columns, other rows or columns automatically shift up or to the left. Students, in our next session, we will learn about how to find and replace data and how to naming the worksheet.